Hi everyone, welcome to an Altcoin Bible. Today I'm going to look at three very interesting charts for you. Market does seem to feel like it's finding a bottom here, which is really great. Doesn't mean it's the end of anything by any means, but I'm looking at the $60,000 level and also the bottom of that range, which we're just settling into now. But I'm seeing a lot of positive signs in terms of momentum bottoming out, a lot of daily bull divergences. That's what I'm really focused on at the moment. Now, before we proceed as well, guys, just reminding you that we are going to be discontinuing the free Facebook group, the graduates group, and also the VIP group, at least the chats in the short term. We do want to phase out the pages eventually. But just in terms of the chats, they will be shut down at month's end. We are pivoting over to Discord. So if you do not have the link to join those groups, make sure to check in with us in the groups below. I'll also provide the link to potentially just switch on over to one of the chats as well. I have to figure that out on the back end. Let's crack in as well. If you want to watch the larger version of this episode, make sure to become a newsletter subscriber and we go into these charts in depth. But I'm looking at one of the worst charts currently of some of the majors at the moment for my danger zone, and that is Dogecoin. So the king of the memes, at least the last few cycles. So Dogecoin is in a very obvious downtrend. So you can see it's just making lower highs and lower lows. This is not a good looking chart by any means. We also overlay the 0.786 Fibonacci, the Fibonacci retracement. You see the 0.786. We're now below that. So for mine, it's lost some really key levels here. Wick, blitzed right through, tried to recover it, haven't, hitting into that 10 EMA on the daily every single time. For me, this wants to potentially come down to 80 cents, high 80 cents, maybe 90. I mean, it doesn't have too much to go like most of these cryptos, but there is the possibility here it just runs back into resistance and comes down again. Is the potential for a daily bull divergence, coming off there, but it hasn't really shown any strength whatsoever to move higher. So this is my danger zone for the week. Now, one to watch is, we haven't covered AI for a little while. And this week, my one to watch is FET. So the AI tokens have been absolutely pummeled. But what I like about FET here is after this massive drawdown, leading into the ASI merge, we're actually seeing the 0.786 holding quite well here. And it's created a quite visible daily bull divergence. So you see price action's gotten lower into 0.786 while the momentum on the RSI is climbing. Don't mind that at all as my one to watch. Solana is my cherry ripe. It is holding up the best out of all the majors in my view. Outside Bitcoin and Ethereum, we're looking at the altcoins obviously. Looking at Solana, again, holding up really well against Bitcoin and Ethereum, looking like it's trying to break out there. Also has reclaimed the 200-day moving average, sitting on top of the 10, sitting on top of the 20. I love to see that. For mine, this is a very likely path for Solana. It does look like it created a double bottom here, including a daily bull divergence. So at a minimum, I think this comes up to the 160 region and then tries to create a higher low. So new high, higher low, then breaks out, hopefully. So fingers crossed on that. All right, guys, hope you have a wonderful day. I'll catch you again for our next session. Bye-bye.